Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you've been following my channel, and you should be following my channel, you know that I moved into a new apartment. So in this video, I'll be taking you through a tour of my new apartment. I'll show you the lounge, the bedroom, the sitting room, the bathroom, everywhere in the apartment, even the co-working space. All of them are included in this video. Before we get started, I will really encourage you guys to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Kilo day now, waiting the banjo, waiting the filler. Subscribe, Jare, and hit the like button so that I will take you through a tour of my new apartment. Just to start, it's a one-bedroom apartment, and we will start from the moment you walk into the building. I could have showed you the reception, but I don't want people to knock at my door. So I will start from the co-working space. Let's get started. So the video starts by me showing you the co-working space. As you can see, this is the co-working space in the apartment, and anybody in the building can use it, but you have to book online using the app of the apartment before you can come here and start working. So I used to work here sometimes, but I will show you towards the end of this video, like my own office. Yeah, this way lead us to the TV room. But first of all, let's go and check the gym and the yoga room. And you can see the fridge that's here is available for anybody to use as long as you're using the co-working space. People use it at times, and sometimes people just work in their room. You can see the gym that's available. Yeah, but I'm not a gym person, to be frank. I like to play my football than going to the gym. The gym is where I won't say he has a lot of equipment, but I think he has the one that's okay. If you're someone that's ready to go to the gym and do some exercise, you can lift some kilograms there. So from there, we also have the yoga room. There was nothing inside, so there was no need for me to start filming it. Now here we have the dining room. The dining room can be used by anybody in the apartment, but as I told you, you have to book it. So for all these places that other people can use, you have to book for it. And if you want to host a party, like a birthday party or an event, you can book it and use it for 2 hours. For the next 2 hours, you may have to pay for it, about £14 per hour. So which is like £28. Yeah. I've been to parties here, and it was really fun, and I really enjoyed myself. So you can see it's big enough to host a party of 30 to 50 people. And also you can also use it as a conference room if you are a serious business person. Just book it, and the TV is working, the fridge are there. Now I'm giving like a photo dump of several things in the apartment. You see, opening the fridge, showing you the kitchen. Yeah, from there we go to the TV room. The TV room is like a cinema. Also book for it and watch any movie you want for a maximum of 4 hours. You're only allowed to book for 2 hours. The 2 hours is free, and the next 2 hours is paid for. So if you don't want to watch a movie in your house, you can just come here and watch a movie here. You've already paid for it in the renting of the apartment. Towards the end of this video, I will tell you the price of the apartment, how much it will cost you to rent or to buy. So yeah, so we're still in the TV room. I feel like I like this TV room. It's very cool and relaxing. You can bring some food here and enjoy with your partner. So we have the terrace. Yeah, so this is the place that people come to relax. I filmed it in the evening because I don't want to show the whole world where I live somewhat, even though I'm making a YouTube video. So I film it in the evening, so that you see how beautiful it can look with light in the evening, just for security purposes. So yeah, this is where people come to relax, sit down, and have a fun time in the apartment. So you too can, if you rent an apartment here, can come and relax. So this is the walkway that leads to my own room, and you can see it has the vibe of a hotel, very calm and very relaxing, with 2 lifts, and they work very well. I have so far been living in this apartment for like a month, and I've been enjoying it. So I was like, let me bring it to you guys and show you where your own boy lives. So now we've entered inside my own house, and you can see in my own apartment there are different doors to open, but we'll start with the bathroom before moving to the storage rooms. This first one is for the bathroom. This is for storage, so let's go to the bathroom and see how my bathroom looks like. I'm a guy, so don't judge me. I'm not advertising for Nivea, but I think most people in the UK actually use it. So yeah, this is where I keep my dirty laundry, the shower. It's the basic stuff that like you expect a bathroom to have. Nothing really special or out of the box. I just bought this new plant and I like showing it off. I really like it. It makes the bathroom looks very cool. I don't know the name, so I don't know what to call it. So now let's go to the storage rooms. In the storage rooms where I keep my shoes, keep some bags and things like that. Even this is the washing room. It's like a small storage that has a dishwasher to wash things. Okay, now we are in the bedroom and my bedroom is like this. Yeah, I try to be very creative with it, try to be innovative with it. It actually came out very beautiful and actually like it. Very soothing and very relaxing. So I like the design, trying to put one or two things to make it more homely and comfortable. And it gives an executive vibe. Oh, O'Shea, executive guy. What I did like about the room so much is the bed sheet. It's very calming and relaxing, very comfortable, and it's white, of course. Yeah, and I told you I've been using it for a while now, and it's been fun. And why I like this apartment again, it has different places to charge phone, to plug one or two things. It's very relaxing. I told you I made this video out in the evening so that the focus will be on the apartment, not on the surrounding. So yeah, I think I've shown you the video of my bedroom. So now I think we're moving to the sitting room. But before we go there, let me show off again my bedsheet that I like so much. I think in the course of making the video, the color application affected it, but in real life, it's really white. This is a photo dump or a video dump of my bedroom showing different aspects of the room, and it looks okay from what I can see. There can always be improvement, but I think I'm happy knowing that I just moved in a month ago. So the more I live here, I'll add more touches to it. So now we're in the living room, and yeah, this is the living room most of you have been waiting for. So you see, it's a one-bedroom apartment. I have all kinds of flowers, designs, trying to make it look very comfortable. And the kitchen, you can see while I'm even filming the video, you can see the background is what you're seeing now, which is the background of the kitchen at this video. You can see me I was even showing where I was using my phone to capture the sense of the house. An office space, like a mini office space. I just have a very long table and I work there most times, where I film videos, I edit videos, and I also do my typical 9 to 5 job. So here is the dining space, and it seems like a dining space for two. I say it seems. It has 2 chairs, so it's a dining space for 2. Then we equally have the where I watch TV or sit down, where I relax or host visitors, and here we have the kitchen. What I really love so much about the kitchen is that it's new. I'm the first person to live in this apartment, and you can see I have several kitchen items. I cook a lot. I'm a chef. Maybe one of these days I'll make a video of showing you guys how I cook, where I cook, and and the food that I make. I cook very good meal. Yeah, I was showing the kitchen. It has different storage apartments. I can put a lot of things inside the storage. I just bought this flower and I really like it. It changed the vibe of the room. It makes it look very executive. I'm even touching it. If you can see me, I'm touching it. Yeah. So, yeah, what you're seeing there is one or two things I bought to design the apartment. This other one is the radiator cover. Then we have the chair. It's a normal cushion chair. You can see me. I'm laying on it. Oh yeah, big man. So yeah, this is where I stay to watch Netflix, to watch movie, watch football, watch one or two things. And yeah, I got the rug from Amazon. I've been using it for a while now and it's very good. I brought it from my previous apartment. I really love this wall clock. It may give the room like a big vibe. The vibe of a rich man. Ooh, I'm a rich man. Yeah, I've shown you the kitchen where I cook. Background of you are seeing now is similar to what you are seeing now in the background of this video that I'm making at the moment. Bringing everything to you guys, and all I am asking for is that you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Abba, let's get it to 1,000 subscribers this month, November. Let's get this video to 1,000 subscribers. I don't need 1,000 people. All I need is you, only you, to subscribe. And if only you subscribe, we will make it to 1,000. And once we reach 1,000, hey, I will show you the best dancing style. I'll be dancing azonto, you know. So yeah, this is the balcony. I didn't want to show you outside. I can see the whole of London from my house, but for security purposes, I tried to stop here. So overall, this is where I live, and I've been living here for a while now, and I really like it and I really enjoy it. So I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long. I just wanted to show you guys my new apartment. I want to say thank you guys for following me to my new apartment, seeing where I live, and seeing where your own boy lives. It's just a 1-bedroom apartment. Now let's talk about money. How much does it cost to rent this apartment? Ideally, the price is £1,800 per month to rent a 1-bedroom apartment. It came with so many features. You saw the TV room, the dining room, the yoga room, the gym room, the cinema room, and everything. All of them are included in the price to rent this place, and I'm renting it for now. So ideally, the price to rent it is £1,800. I'm paying a little bit lower because of some reasons. I don't want to go into it. So if I want to buy this 1-bedroom, or if you feel like, yeah, I'm subscribed to your channel, I want to buy this 1-bedroom for you, how much will it cost? So it will cost about £450,000. That's like $500,000. How much is it in naira? Please, can someone help me do the mathematics and add it in the comment section? How much it is in naira just to buy this 1-bedroom apartment that I've shown you now? And yeah, so but for now, I'm renting it, and maybe when I buy my own house very soon, I will show you the video of the apartment. So make sure you have subscribed so that you'll be updated with what's happening. And thank you guys that have subscribed. I will bring more videos and more things for you guys. So I'm trying to compare this background I'm using with the background I used in my last video. So which one do you prefer? The typical YouTube background, or a background that shows my kitchen where I'm sitting down like a big man and I'm crossing my leg? Subscribe there. Hello, subscribe. If you didn't subscribe, I will smash you with this. I'm joking. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate it. Bye.